trying out these sweet chili lime chicken kebabs from Aldi. They were only $7.49. They look good. They're already marinated. Nice little meal ready to go, and I'll let you know if they're worth it. So it's a little more than or almost 1.5 pounds of chicken. Right off the bat, seems like a good deal. They got this easy to open system here, so you don't need any extra dishes or anything. Well, it's raw. Just take one out. It smells good. Right on. She smells really good. Pieces are cut really even, and they're cut small, so it'll cook pretty quick. Pretty convenient, I think. Think of the trouble you'd have to go through to cut up the chicken, marinate the chicken, cut up the chicken, put it on the stick yourself. I mean, what is chicken breast a pound normally? So you're paying 1.41 pounds, $7.49. So far, so good. In about 3 minutes, I'd guess. A little too hot. The one negative I'll say so far is I read the ingredients, and the second ingredient is sugar. There's cornstarch in there. It's 3 grams of carbs per kebab, and that's just because of the sauce. I understand it's pretty normal. But to me, if I'm eating, chicken breast, it's usually me trying to balance out my weekend of eating like a bacon burger or something like that. And the internal temps over 165, you're done. This is what you get for $7.49 and 10 minutes of grilling. We're going to see how it actually tastes. Like it says, sweet chili lime. It's sweet. Very nice texture. Overall, I would give the product, say, a 7 out of 10. Balancing price, tastes, amount of labor on my part. Good product, I'll be buying it again. If you guys got any value out of this product review, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to not miss out on the next one. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if there's any products you want me to go ahead and be the guinea pig on, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching.